Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of around 2695.80 dollars. Okay, and we are making the video in the live market so you can understand. See the price clearly showing an uptrend. Okay, because this is the U pattern, and if the price keep moving above a level of $2696, a further upside movement we can see because it's a strong support. Once the price move over this level, it can go towards today's high, a level of around 2704, and once the price move over this level, it can go towards $2710, which has already been weak. So it will cross this level, and chances of crossing a level of 2720 we can see, and then a further upside movement will be there. Okay, looking at this particular chart, but before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain, it can cross a level of 2704, it can go further upside. Let's see how the dollar index is moving. I have clearly explained you that once the price started going above a level of 104.5, a further upside we can see, and it has already touched a level of 108. After that it came down. There is a U pattern forming at this level. Suppose if the price sustain this level, it can go towards a level of 106.8, and once moving above this level, it can go towards 107. Okay, suppose if the price move above this level, it will cross a level of 107.5, and then a further upside movement we can see towards 108, and then it can make a new high. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards 106.3, and from there a level of 105.8, and once started moving below this level, we can see it will cross a level of 105.5, and then a further downfall we can see towards 104.8 dollars. Okay, when the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. If the dollar index started going down, we will see the gold price will go up. Okay, so remember, if it started falling below 104.5, we can see a further downfall, or it can bounce back from this level. But if the price keeps sustaining this level, we can see it can touch a level of 107, and then it go towards 107.5, and then 108. Chances are very high it can cross a level of 108 because the pattern is showing towards an upside. Coming back again on the gold price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances of touching a level of 2704 will be there, and once the price sustain above that particular level, we can see it will go towards a level of around 2707 after crossing a level of 2704. Once the price moving over a level of $2707, chances of touching a level of 2715 we can see, and from there it can move towards a level of $2720, and this is the zone. So if it started crossing this level, we can see it will cross a level of around $2737, and then it will go towards a level of around next level, that is 2744. Okay, and if it started going above this level, we can see a level of around 2749, which has already been weak resistant. So chances of crossing that will be there, and then it can go towards 2763, and then a further upside movement we can see. Now if the price didn't sustain, because see, market is uncertain, so you have to understand if the price didn't sustain, or if it started breaking a level of 2696, which is a strong support, so it started going below this level, we can see a next level coming at a level of around $2686 after a level of $2694.96. And once the price started going below that particular level, we can see a next level coming at a level of next support coming at a level of 2678. Okay, and once the price falling below 2678, a further fall we can see towards a level of $2674. Okay, and then a further downfall we can see towards a level of around 2667. Okay, and if the price moving up below a level 2667, we can see a level of $2658, and if that started falling below that level, we can see a level of 2656 after crossing a level of 2658. Okay, and then a further downfall we can see towards a level of around 2645, and then there will be a probability of moving further down towards a level of 2632, and then to a level of 2623. Okay, and then a further downfall we can see. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.